The first ingredient we'll need for our oatmeal donuts is 1 cup of raw oats that we'll process into oat flour. Boom! Next is 1/3 cups of oat milk, and I made my own, and afterwards I had some leftover oat pulp, so you can add this in if you make your own oat milk, but it's optional. Next is 2 teaspoons of cinnamon for the cinnamon. Next is 3 teaspoons of maple syrup, 3 tablespoons of flax seeds, and 8 pitted dates, or as many as your heart desires. 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter, and half a handful of raw oats. It looks so tasty already. Place that lid on and blend, baby, blend. Wow, look at that oat dough, it just looks so good, oh my gosh. Yum! Look over the dough, give it a little taste test, and see if you need to add anything else. I needed more cinnamon, some more flax seeds, a little bit more peanut butter, and a little bit more oats. Place the lid back on and blend once more. Now that our dough is complete, just go ahead and move that to the side. Grab your donut molds, and now we're going to be putting the mix into the molds. I also added coconut, chia seeds, and peanut butter in my different mixes. Feel free to add whatever toppings you want. Once you're done with your donut molds, just go ahead and place these in the freezer overnight. And wow, look how great these look! Ugh, can't wait to eat them. The last step is to remove the donuts from the molds. Amazing donuts, all natural, super healthy, super delicious. You can't keep your fingers off them. So enjoy, my friends, and I'll see you in the next video.